What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you the easiest and the fastest way to transfer files between these two devices. And this is my laptop and this is my Android phone, which is a Samsung phone. So in this case I'm using Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, but pretty much you can use any Samsung device that you have. All you need to do is to go ahead and open your Play Store on your Samsung phone and then type in Samsung Flow. As you can see right here, go ahead and install it and then open it up. Once you're done opening it up on your Samsung phone, go ahead and go to Microsoft Store on your computer and then type in Samsung Flow. Once you do that, download and then install it. Once you install it onto your computer, go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you will see that you will need to connect both of these so that they can easily communicate. And all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on the start icon on your laptop. Make sure on your phone Bluetooth is enabled, and then right here on your laptop go ahead and choose your device. So my device is S22 Plus, and then I'll be asked whether I need to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Since Bluetooth is enabled, I'll choose Bluetooth. And there you go. So I'll go ahead and press OK on both the devices. And there you go. If you've used this app before, they'll show you your previous history of the file transfers that you've made. But if it's your first time, you won't see anything right here. They will just show you that the connection is successful. So on the top right, you have these icons right here. So the first one shows notifications, then clipboard, smart view, then mobile hotspot, and then the 3-dot icons right there. So all I'll need to do is tap on those 3-dot icons, and then I'll go to settings. The first one right here is a connection method. I'll stick with Bluetooth. And then the downloads folder, you can come right here and change the folder where you want to receive your incoming files. So in this case I've set this to desktop, but you can go ahead and change that. I'll stick with the desktop again, and then they'll show you the devices that are being connected onto your computer, and then pretty much you don't need to change any of these other settings. But if you want to, you can go through and change that. On your phone, tap on the 3-dot icons right there and then go to settings, and pretty much they'll show you where your files will be once they are being received. So with the phone, so you'll go to phone storage, then Samsung Flow, and then you can go ahead and turn on auto Bluetooth if you want, or change any of these settings right here, and I'll still stick with that. So to transfer your files, you tap on that plus icon in the bottom left right there on your phone, or on the plus icon in the bottom left on your laptop. So as we said, these are the two files that I want to transfer. So one is a video and then the other is a photo. So this is the photo and then this is the video. So to transfer this onto my phone, I'll go ahead and open the Samsung Flow and then tap on that plus icon right here and then choose the location of the files. I'll choose desktop, and then I'll go ahead and choose those files right there. So I'll choose my photo. So you can go ahead and select as many files as you want at the same time by choosing, for example, I'll choose the photo and then I'll go ahead and press Ctrl, and then I'll choose the other file, which is the video, and then I'll go ahead and tap on open once I'm done. So watch what happens. So tap on open, so it will load right here on your computer, and then it will still load as an incoming file on your phone. There you go. So there you go. So once you see that right there, it shows, or it means your files have been transferred, and that open them is pretty easy. Tap on those files, and there you go, it's open. Or tap on the video, and there you go. You can tap on that 3-dot icon and then go to settings, and then they will show you the location, and they will show you the location, phone storage, then Samsung Flow. That's where you can find them. To transfer our files from our phone onto the computer, it's pretty much the same. All you need to do is to tap on that plus icon right there, and then go to whether videos or images. I'll go to videos, and then I'll go ahead and select the video that I want to share. So this is the video that I want to share right here. Go ahead and tap on that. If you want more than one video, go ahead and select all those videos that you want to choose, and once you're done, tap on select, and watch what happens. So it's loading right here. The speed of the file transfer will depend on how heavy your files are. Once my files are received, I'll go ahead and click on one of those, and as you can see, so that's the video, and then the other one, it's right there. Alright, that's how easy it is to transfer your files using this simple app called Samsung Flow. Alright, hope you guys were able to seamlessly transfer your files between your Samsung device and your laptop. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, go ahead and like, share, and also subscribe. And if you think there is an app that will do this in a better way, let me know in the comment sections down below. I'll go ahead and check it out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.